Welcome to another Raw Talk. So, yes, I'm not prepared. That's why it's raw. No script. I'm just talking to you. And today we're going to talk about Tier 1 specifically. So, when you start working with AI, all right, there's a mindset change that you need. How do you talk to AI? What can it do? What should you do? What is AI good at? What are you good at? All right. And I can tell you already, yes, you are important because AI don't have a gut feel. AI is not creative. It knows what it knows. You can think into the future. You can come up with ideas AI can't. And that makes up a part of Tier 1. We're going to move then to microcontrollers. And if you look at my other videos, you'll understand why we say microcontrollers should be added. It's for those projects where you need eyes, ears, and sensing of the outside world. This becomes more and more important every day. And you have an edge above coders that do not use it. And in all honesty, most coders do not use it. Uh, it's a great edge to have, right? So we're going to then program these microcontrollers. They are extremely easy to program. I remember the old days when I gave microcontroller training. It takes weeks to just get a basic microcontroller to do what you want it to do. And the last courses I did, I introduced AI, and we could do what would have taken weeks to do in a day with time to spare. So you're going to program, as an example, we're going to do a parking sensor that will assist you in parking, maybe in your garage, so you can park as close to the wall as you can. But what we're going to have with that is we're going to have a user interface on the microcontroller. We're going to create a web server on the microcontroller with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth capabilities, and you will be able to take a web browser, go in there and look at a distance sensor, what distance an object is from the sensor, if it's a car or whatever the case may be. We'll be able to have buttons on there so you can switch things on and off, and many things like that. So that's also the first project that you will do. That will also be a project that can be live as part of your resume. If you one day want a showcase of your work that you've done, if you need employment or want to show to a possible customer what you can do. Saying that, there'll be a total of 8 projects in the 4 tiers, and it will be an extreme showcase of what you can do. And believe you me, it will be a lot. We then move on to using AI prompting, and it's called promptology, correctly. How do you prompt AI? How do you ask it to do things? We're going to look at planning, extremely important part of creating projects. We're going to create master prompts so that you can program things correctly the first time. So that is very much, in a nutshell, what Tier 2 will be about. How long will it take you? I would say about 3 weeks. If you spend an hour or two on it. Then I'll take another week, if I were in your shoes, and create more projects. Depend on what kit you use. If you're just buying the basic board, there's not that much that you can do, but you can still create a lot of things. I'll say buy another board or extra components like temperature sensors and so forth, so you can just, tinker around, mess around with a microcontroller and learn more and more things. Something else I can mention is that you will be able to understand libraries, what libraries are the best. Not all libraries are the same. If you don't understand what a library is, you will understand it very, very soon. All right, I'm on 6 minutes already. So I think that's it for Tier 1. It's if you do it in under a month or in a month, it will cost you 90 Rand. A basic kit, I think, is around 300, 400 Rand. So for around 500 Rand, you will be able to do more with microcontrollers in the short time that most people cannot do in a year or 2 years of microcontroller coding training. That's it from me. If you're still interested, please start off or move on to Tier 2 explanation so you can see where we're going with this upskilling. I'll see you there. Stay well.